A ceramic roller is a type of roller made from ceramic material. It is commonly used in industrial production processes such as heat treatment, baking, sintering, and coating, where it is responsible for functions such as heat transfer, mass transfer, and force transmission in materials. Ceramic rollers are suitable for various industrial sectors, including steel, glass, ceramics, printing, and more. The characteristics of ceramic rollers are as follows. 1. High hardness. Ceramic rolls have high hardness, which enables them to withstand high pressure and heavy loads. 2. Wear resistance. Due to their excellent material characteristics, ceramic rolls have outstanding wear resistance, and can maintain a good service life for a long time. 3. High temperature resistance. Ceramic rolls can operate stably in high temperature environments without deformation or damage caused by heat. 4. Corrosion resistance. Ceramic rolls have good resistance to chemical corrosion. 5. Smooth surface. Ceramic rolls have smooth surfaces, which provide better processing results and product quality. 6. Insulation properties. The good insulation properties of ceramic rolls make them suitable for industries such as electronics and electrical engineering. Thank you for watching.